Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to discuss SQL interview question and answer for fresher. So, without any ado, let's get started. Question number 1. What is DBMS? DBMS stands for Database Management System. It is a system software that is responsible for creation, retrieval, updation and management of the database. It also ensures that our data is consistent, organized, and is easily accessible by serving as an interface between the database and its end user. Question number 2. What is RDBMS? RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. It is basically a program that allows us to create, delete, and update a relational database. Relational database is a database system in that we store and retrieve data in tabular format, and it is organized in the form of rows and columns. Moving to the third question. So, what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a computer language. It helps to store, manipulate, and retrieve data stored in a relational database. All the relational database management system RDBMS like MySQL, MS Access, Oracle, SQL Server use SQL as their standard database language. Question number 4. What is the difference between SQL and MySQL? So, SQL is a standard language for retrieving and manipulating structured database. On the other hand, MySQL is a relational database management system like SQL Server, Oracle, IBM. It is used to manage SQL databases. Question number 5. What are tables and fields? So, tables is an organized collection of data stored in the form of rows and columns. Columns can be categorized as vertical and rows as horizontal. Columns in a table are called fields, while the rows can be referred to as records. Question number 6. What is the difference between delete and truncate? Delete is a DML command while truncate is a DDL command. Delete statement is used when we want to remove some or all of the records from the given table, while the truncate statement will delete entire rows from a table. Moving on the seventh question. So, what is the difference between delete and drop? Delete is a data manipulation language and it is used to remove records from a table, where drop is a data definition language and it is used to remove named element of schema like relations, constant or entire schema. Question number 8. What are the different subsets of SQL? First, DDL, data definition language. It allows you to perform various operations on the database such as create, alter objects. DML, data manipulation language. It allows you to access and manipulate data. It helps you to insert, update and delete. DDL, data control language. It allows you to control access to the database like grant, revoke, access permission, etc. Moving on the ninth question. What is a join? So, the join clause is used to combine records from two or more tables in SQL database based on a related column between the two. So basically If we want to fetch data from the multiple tables, then we use join clause. So there are four types of join. First, inner join. Second, right join. Third, outer join. And fourth, left join. Question number 10. What is keys and its type? So in SQL, keys are either a single column or a group of columns that can uniquely identify rows. SQL keys ensure that there are no rows with duplicate values. Not only that, but they are also help in establishing a relationship between multiple tables in the database. Types of keys. So first, primary keys. Second, super key. Third, candidate key. Fourth, alternate key. Fifth, foreign key. And sixth, composite key. Moving on the next question. Question number 11. What is a primary key in SQL? The primary key constraint uniquely identify each records in a table. Primary key cannot contain null value and it must be a unique value. A table can have only one primary key, and in the table this primary key can consist single or multiple columns. Question number 12. What is a foreign key? The foreign key constraint is a key that is used to link two tables together. A foreign key is a field in one table that refers to the primary key in another table. Question number 13. What is a super key? So, super key is attributes can contain null value, and the super key is a primary key with additional attributes. This extra information is used to uniquely identify an instance of the entity set. It is similar to primary key, but it can contain only one null value. Question number 14. What are constraints in SQL? So these are the specific rules concerning data in the table. It can be applied for single or multiple column in an SQL table. Question number 15. What is the select statement? So when we want to fetch some data from the table, then we use select statement. So select operator in SQL is used to select data from a database. The data returned is stored in a result table called the result set. There are some common SQL clause which is used in SQL query. First, where clause. Where clause is used when we want to filter records that are necessary based on specific condition. Order by clause is used to sort the records based on some fields in ascending or descending order. By clause is used to group record with identical data, and it can be also used in conjunction with some aggregation function. Having clause is used to filter records in combination with the group by clause. That's it for today's video. For more video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like, then please share to your friend. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.